said that? Aziz?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Or Uncle, all heavy furniture.
See, when we first bought this right here, I thought this was full because you know you can't touch nothing, right?
Right.
What it was leaning up against the door, so when the auctioneer lifted it up, I took that. I was like, let me get that for you, and I pushed it. I thought it was TV.
It's not. All pictures.
Artwork.
It's a long ways back.
Yeah, but it's not super full. That's why I said we get all the furniture in mine, like put the mattresses, couch on the thing, furniture in there, and then we'll throw the boxes in his, and it's a wrap. It's not bad. It's gotta be 200. I don't know what market you're selling at, buddy, but I was like, that's gotta be 200 somewhere. I was like, I don't know what market you're selling at for sure.
I bet we get 200 for it.
Oh, hell's bells. That looks like a man who wears gold, doesn't it? Look at that. Look at these jade and gold rings right there. Look kind of fancy, huh?
Yeah.
That's a family portrait.
Nice place.
Yeah. It makes me want to look in the boxes more. Believe it or not, file cabinets can hold some of the most expensive things in a storage unit. That one's looking like paper. Thinking it's just had cool stuff in it. Shanghai fat toy money.
There you go.
I see it. It's in there. Other way. No. Keys.
These kind of cool. Little men.
Oh, these are money.
What?
Yeah, we need to put these back in carefully. Those are money. Mickey Mouse. That's paint, isn't it? Books. How about we just think positive and under everything that's a book is something much better?
100 bucks.
Some really fancy looking Chinese magazine. Probably gotta be looked up. They're probably like $1 million and we're not gonna.
There's a bunch of them.
Alright, sit them in my truck.
You never know. They could be Japanese comic books.
Files and supplies.
Man, that's what it is.
Maritime Association of Wedgers. Yep, done. Best Buy. Apparently they got Best Buy where they came from.
What's your finger?
Encyclopedia Britannica. These are some $10,000 Time Life magazine, and we're just gonna throw them away. Please.
There's stuff in here.
Oh, there's stuff in here. Ooh.
The original.
You wouldn't know original if you jumped out and bit you.
The original.
More than original, we want it to be a rare Chinese version. Uncle Michael, you know what this is?
No.
You don't know what this
These
is? It's a transformer.
That is a transformer.
No, that's you can't tell what the good thing in that thing is to look at.
This opens.
So you can't tell what the good thing is to look in there.
Yeah, right there, the box, right? You know, I like to build it up, but look at
Yeah,
this.
but it's old.
This is dope.
Oh, it's a stamp.
Oh.
Why would you touch your hand on that? You don't even know. Put that out of the sun.
Cool.
You need to determine what year that is. Let's go right to the good one. When we come back, let's go. Want me to go ask them? What's in there? Come on,
Guitar
jewelry.
picks.
Coins.
Ooh, Jade. Be careful with that.
There's
Be
all
careful with that
Jade.
whole thing. What's in this one here? Oh, that's the same thing Tang gives me. I'm keeping that.
A cat.
You don't ever see that on my
Dashboard
dashboard and my truck and everywhere?
Low on that waves.
That's what the monks
That's what it is.
operate through.
Chain. They put gold in the dog. That's more Jade. That's some good Jade right there.
No, it's not good at all. Are you a Jade expert then?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I was at Jade High School.
Ooh, is that a body too?
It looks like ashes.
That's a turtle.
God damn, they got everything on the turtle, the goldfish.
These could be ivory.
Well, you know what you do with it? You put it on your waist. Badass fanny pack.
Ooh.
I'm gonna open one
And,
of
Asian dominoes.
well,
It's called mahjong, Uncle Mike. We've already been over this. They look like they might be ivory though.
there goes another one of the niggas right here. A little cotton.
I got thousands of them at home.
Cool.
Next.
This is where that box was. Yeah, but that was something.
Cat.
No, they're actually boxes. That one. And this one.
Cigar boxes. Ooh! Antique dried flowers. Those are really
Those are very valuable.
have a lot of value.
See what that is.
Oh!
Christmas. For Alex.
Antique Christmas
For your
lights.
house. Here you go.
That a sword?
No, but that's kind of weird.
That's very weird.
This right here, is this jade?
Look at these little dudes. Oh, there's
These are stamps, like before they're made into stamps. That can go set aside into our stamp area.
This too. Put this with that, Uncle Mike.
Put that with that, Uncle Michael.
I got you.
These are books.
Why can't they be die-cast transformers?
These are odd looking.
Encyclopedia.
We need to get a Chinese man to tell us.
We'll
Or a
have-
woman.
what you call it
We don't want to
tomorrow.
be sexist.
No, what's his name?
What's that?
His name
Be a
is.
transformer. That's all I got in my brain right now is transformers. Please be the gold. This weird little Chinese stuff.
That's what I was looking
Oh, that's what it is.
That's what I was looking at.
Yeah.
Here, Uncle Mike. Put this with the stamps.
What is it?
Stamps.
Not the same sign though. No.
Here, Uncle Mike. That's something.
It is. Paint supplies. You can tell by the wiggle. Suck my carpet washer. Captain John, he did the shipping. That's what he did. He was a shipper. Like
Import,
a,
export.
yeah, that's why it says maritime.
What does that mean? Is that a good thing or a bad
Well,
thing?
it means he probably had a lot of power to smuggle the things he wanted to back and forth. I'm not trying to profile or anything, but
I'm gonna go through these papers on Monday.
yeah, you are. I'm gonna go through all that on Monday. Please be a sterling silver with really expensive jade handle set.
Oh!
It has looks potential. Could be a Parker gold pen. Ooh, print down there.
Shoe down there.
No, I'm more concerned about that print. No, there's not a print right there.
Can't get to it. No, it's the badge. Look at that. What is that? Money?
No.
Shut up, man. What is this? Let that be solid gold. That looks gold, dude.
Does not.
Does too.
See the green on it?
These are gold. These are gold.
You know, it's like the reason why from the get-go. From the boot. These ones, when they're like this, when they're overseas, you got to be careful because there's no rhyme or reason how they pack. They don't use paper. They fill every hole they can. See, like everything, every piece of clothes has something in it.
Definitely want to be careful of any vase that has potential though.
Another body? Whatever it was, it cost $175.
Waterford.
Glass building.
Now that is one you gotta look out for, no? No. Might be some you like in here.
Nah, I don't that one like that. Can you pull it out for me?
Put the lid back on and roll it up. You don't like?
Oh, hey,
Well, we're gonna look at anything before it ever goes out.
it's Stockton.